Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will present about case study 2, cloud computing DFN 40253. Next, these are our group members. First one, Muhammad Sulaiman bin Muhammad ADNAN, and the second one, which is myself, Muhammad SALIHIN bin Muhammad NIZAM, and then the third one, Muhammad Fairuz bin Hashim. Okay, next. What is Amazon Web Service? Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud EC2 is a part of Amazon.com cloud computing platform, Amazon Web Service AWS, that allows users to run virtual computers on which to run their own computer application. EC2 encourages scalable deployment of application by providing a web service through a which a user can boot an Amazon machine image in bracket AMI to configure a virtual machine, which Amazon calls an instance containing any software desired. And then a user can create, launch, and terminate several instances as needed, paying by the second active servers, hence the term elastic. And then EC2 provides users with control over the geographical location of instances that allows for latency optimization and high level of redundancy. In November 2010, Amazon switched its own retail website platform to EC2 and AWS. Okay, next. The second question. Describe the feature of the Amazon EC2 service. The first one, bare metal instances provide your application with direct access to the processor and memory of the underlying server. And then the second one, optimize compute performance and cost with Amazon EC2 Fleet. With a single API call, Amazon EC2 Fleet lets you provide compute capacity across EC2 instance type, availability zone, and purchase model to help optimize scale, performance, and cost. And then the third one, pause and resume your instances. You can hibernate your Amazon EC2 instances back up by Amazon EBS and resume them from the state at a later time. Optimize CPU configuration, give you greater control of the Amazon EC2 instances on two fronts. And then the last one, multiple location. Amazon EC2 provides the availability to place instances in multiple locations.
Okay, from now on, I, Muhammad Zaiman bin Muhammad, now will continue the presentation. Okay, for this slide, the question is, describe for storage for Amazon EC2 instance. Okay, and that is Amazon EBS, an easy to use, high performance block storage service designed for use with Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud, that is EC2, for both throughput and transaction intensive workloads at any scale. Second one is Amazon EC2 Instant Store. An instance store provides temporary block level storage for your instance. For the third one is Amazon S3. That is a storage for the internet designed to make web scale computing easier, and a simple web services interface that you can use to store and retrieve any amount of data at any time for anywhere on the web. For the last one is adding storage. You can easily add and change your storage when want to create your instance. Okay, for this slide is the question is expand the region and availability zone in Amazon EC2. AWS has the concept of a region, which is a physical location around the world where we cluster data centers. They call each group of logical data centers an availability zone. Each AWS region consists of multiple isolated and physically separated axes within a geographic area. Unlike other cloud providers who often define a region as a single data center, the multiple axis design of every AWS region offers advantages for customers. Each axis has independent power, cooling, and physical security and is connected via redundant ultra-low latency networks.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fairuz Hashim. I will continue the presentation. For this slide, I will present about how to perform the launch and Amazon EC2 instance. First step, open the EC2 console and from the navigation bar, and you choose AMIS, and then find the AMI that you want to use to launch a new instance, and select the AMI, and then you choose the launch. After that, you choose an instance type and choose the next configure instance detail, and you select next, add storage, and go continue, select next, add text, and continue, select next, configure security group, and select review and launch. After that, select previous to return to a previous screen to make change. Select launch when you are ready to launch the instance, and you select an existing key pair or create a new key pair, and select the acknowledge agreement box, and then you choose launch instance. And the last step, you view the instance for the check the status of your instance. Okay, for the next slide, I will present how to create security group in Amazon EC2 instance. First, you must open the Amazon VPC console, and then in the navigation pane, you must choose the security groups, and then you choose and create security group. After that, you must enter the name for the security group. For example, my security there's group, and then provide a description. So from VPC, you must select the ID of your VPC, and then optional add or remove a tag, and then the last, you just click the click button click.